Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video we're gonna be making lamb curry with potato, which is so delicious. Keep watching to see how I make. And if you are new here, my name is Zainab and you are welcome to the channel. Please take a moment to subscribe on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So here we got our ingredients, which is gonna be 400 grams of meat, 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, 2 potatoes. In this plate we have 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of meat spice, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 bay leaves, half teaspoon of black pepper, some green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half cup of oil, and 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Okay, now I'm going to heat the oil in the pot and throw my chopped onion. You have to chop your onion like this. Now I'm going to fry the onion until it's soft. You don't need to be brown, just fry until it's soft. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your onion is done, we're going to add black pepper, bay leaves, and also ginger garlic paste. We're going to fry that for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, it's have been 3 minutes now. I add my meat. As you can see, now I'm going to mix it well and add the spices. Okay, now I'm going to stir fry the meat for about 5 to 6 minutes to make sure all the goodness get into the meat and give a nice taste. Okay, it's after 6 minutes now. I'm going to add water, just enough water to cook your meat until it's tender. Don't add too much, because if you add too much it's gonna be difficult to finish. We don't want this water that we're adding now, we have to dry. Okay, so cover your pot and cook the meat for 20 to 25 minutes or until your meat is tender. So it's after 25 minutes. As you can see my pot, guys, there's no too much water, it's just a little bit left. And I'm going to check my meat if it is done. It's perfectly done. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to add my tomatoes and continue cooking until the tomato juice is dry together with the water which is left to finish. Okay friends, as you can see, the water is completely finished. Now we have only thick gravy. Now what we're gonna do, we're going to add yogurt, and we're going to add also some green chilies, and we're going to cook for about 2 minutes to make sure the yogurt is well cooked as well. Okay guys, so it's after 2 minutes. Look how beautiful is that, guys. It looks like it's ready to eat, but we still have to make sauce. So it's up to you if you want how much sauce you want or soup. So I'm going to add about 3 cups of water, and I'm going to cover my pot to let it boil. Now the pot is boiling. I'm going to add potatoes, and yeah. So guys, after putting the potato, you don't cover your pot, just leave it to boil nicely. and then you slow the flame. You're going to cover the pot and let it simmer to make sure the potato is well done without soup getting finished, because if it's on high flame it's gonna boil fast and the soup is gonna get finished and the potato is going to take long to cook. Okay, so now my potato is done. It just took me about 10 minutes. Your curry is ready and enjoy. You can serve with rice or roti. Even with naan, it's gonna be perfectly yummy. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did like, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up, share this video with family and friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao ciao.